Talofa everyone. My name is Josephine Tupola, and this is my brief summary about Chapter 3, 4, and 5. Chapter 3 talks about stress and how we can manage stress. There are many factors of how we could be under stress. However, it is very important to be able to manage stress because stress affects us physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Now, there are two kinds of stress: eustress and de-stress. Well, eustress is a good stress because it promotes growth, such as school. It causes us to become stressed, but in a good way, where we see ourselves grow. And de-stress is negative stress because de-stress which can cause destruction. So, chapter 3 acknowledges us to be able to identify what kind of stress we have and then work towards changing it or become a better person without stress. Well, the most important way of living without stress is changing our mindset. Like the way we look, perceive, and respond to stress start from our mind and the way we think, how we take the situation in, and then how we answer back to the situation. Well, stress is a curable disease if we learn to manage stress. Okay, chapter 4 basically about time management. Time management is the way toward arranging, sorting out, and organizing exercises, tasks, or potentially applications proportionate with the everyday conditions of life into a day by day, week by week, and month to month plans. So, time management has two types of concepts: non realistic concepts and realistic concepts. Realistic is the activity that is kept to right spots. Time passes ordinarily as it does in regular daily existence. Like for example, in the play Night Mother, the clock on the stage is a similar time, all things considered, in actuality and happens in that capacity. Well, unrealistic is random utilization of time and spot. Like for example, in August, Strindberg's fantasy play dividers break up and characters are changed as in Dream. The following chapter 5, help and support, is presented how to build a strong support system. Like within this chapter, there are three different support system. The first support system is family and friends. It mentioned that to get support from your family and friends, you have to be specific on what you want in order for your family and friends to understand exactly what you are asking for. Like to be specific will not confuse any of your will not confuse your supporters of what you want. Like to be specific, talk openly and honestly with your supporters about your whereabouts. Well, to do this, your supporters will not question your whereabouts, but it is very important to speak positivity and truthfully towards your supporters with your time span. For this is to eliminate the complication between you and your supporters. Well, the second support system is college resources. The college resources are sources that can help you with your academics learning. It also gives you the academic catalog of the college to help you search for the college policies, degree or major requirements, course descriptions, and all that. It also helps you with financial aid documents. Yeah, online library, academic advising, and technology. Well, college resources allow you to seek the help from your instructors and peers. The last support system is employer or colleagues. This support system allows you to discuss the college you're enrolling in or about to enroll in with your colleagues. To do this, you're seeking advice from the employer. The employer not only advises you, but also gives you the opportunities of what the company can offer to support your education. So the company and the employers will benefit from your success because of the knowledge you gained from college. Well, in conclusion, this chapter is implementing the importance of the support system. It also mentioned the different types of support systems, the support system, and how it factors out its importance. So the highlight that I grasp from this chapter is communication. Like to communicate gives a set of understanding on both sides, yourself and your supporters. Thank you and have a good day. God bless.